Look at that 6.7. Didn't know you were gonna see a diesel in the Lambo, did you? Dude, my head's like going back. Not gonna lie, freaking out a little bit. I don't think these shoes are gonna do it, guys. We got to, if you remember, my beautiful wife Tori got me these J's when we went on vacation not too long ago, and I've only worn them twice. I think they will do well for today's video. We gotta switch these suckers over just like, and that's much better. Now let's get rolling. Clickbait by any means. I know by the title you're as freaking pumped up as I am, because this is a childhood dream car, dream drive come true, whatever you want to call it. Everybody dreams of the day they get to drive a Lambo, hopefully one day own one for yourself. We definitely don't own this car, but we are gonna drive it real quick. This video is not sponsored by any means, but a big shout out to our good buddy Mexhit at Tap22. If you guys are local to the Quad Cities and you haven't been to Tap22, you are missing out, especially their tin can nachos. It's absolutely fire. Their food's amazing. So make sure you check it up in Silvis, Illinois. Get up there, Tap22, but we are going to link up with our buddy Mitch. We've been friends for probably 10 years now. If you remember a couple years ago on Tori's channel, we did do a little review, little drive in the white one that he used to have, the Gallardo, but now he has this Huracan EVO and it's super duper crazy. But real quick, a couple of side notes before we jump in. Number one, thank all of you for joining us lately if you're new to the channel. If not, make sure you do subscribe and stick around. We're gonna do some crazy stuff here in the near coming future. Also, if you are a company or own a company, work for a company, and want to see your products in our videos, make sure you email. I'll put it on the screen here. Hit me up on the email. I'll get back to you guys. And anyways, guys, I'm gonna kind of keep this video nonchalant, just roll it, no fancy B-roll or anything like that. Just getting my reaction, getting Mitch's reaction. But anyways, let's get down there, guys. Here we go, Lambo time. What is it with you Lambo drivers and this liquid death? Street Speed had this stuff on his video too. I thought it was like an energy drink or alcoholic drink, but it's just water, and it's actually super good. You guys got me messed up with this. What's going on, buddy? Thanks for bringing this out today, buddy. Appreciate this. This is crazy. Freaking out officially. Look at the green seat belts. What is going on? Screens everywhere in this bugger. Look at the views on views. This is intense. Freaked out. Look at that dash, boy. Everything's going crazy in here. Look at it, would you? And the stitching and the headliner. Damn. It's like everywhere you look, there's just like crazy designs and patterns. The seats, unbelievable. I probably look like an absolute nerd in this sucker, but uh-oh, it's mad at us. Look at them mirrors, boy. Look at them green. Steering wheel. What's your favorite thing about it?
Honestly, bro, what you're hearing right now, the built-in radar, they built them in actually behind the bumpers. They pulled them out.
What?
And yeah, it gives you protection up to like 1 mile.
Dude, this thing is crazy. And it's stock exhaust on this sucker?
Yeah, it's stock right now. It's still warming up.
It's super loud. We'll get some from the exterior when we get up there, but dang, dude, it sounds insane. Is that in Corsa or Strada? Or?
Yep, we're in Corsa right now.
Is that like the race mode?
Yep.
Dang, dude. This thing is wild, boy. This thing sounds absolutely ridiculous. It just slipped. Is it all-wheel drive or two-wheel?
Well, it's actually rear-wheel drive, so it's an EVO Huracan rear-wheel drive.
Dang. How much power does it make, or rated at?
602 horsepower.
602? Oh my God. In a car that weighs maybe 2,000 pounds?
It's actually just right at like 3,000.
3,000? Okay, man, it's so light though. Like 600 horse in a truck is crazy, but 600 horse in this little thing? Oh, like smiling from ear to ear. I don't know what to do. Dang, now I know what the YouTubers, they drive Lambos all day, feel like.
I know, and it's honestly...
That's all I would do if I was you, but I know you gotta run a business to afford this.
Oh yeah, bro. Yeah, it's honestly really comfortable to drive, man. You know, the Strata mode, I usually call it, you know, you want to take your grandma to church, it's nice and quiet.
Yeah, dude, she probably wants to go in this thing too.
I know. Yeah.
Everybody wants, I'd go anywhere in this damn thing. I go to school in this thing and I hate school.
No, shoot, I go to Walmart sometimes. Yeah. Gotta grab some tire shine.
Yeah, dude.
Microfiber towels.
That's right, dude. This is insane. Did you get this thing new or was it used?
Yeah, actually brand new right off the showroom floor. It's funny, I went in to actually get an oil change on my Gallardo that I had, and what happened was the salesman's like, hey, come over here, sit down, let's run some numbers, maybe we can get you a new ride.
What?
And so we ended up working something out and drove home in a brand new car.
Dude, this is so insane. I can't even imagine. What the heck's like the sticker on this thing? Do you see the MSRP? Do you remember?
Yeah, the MSRP on this one was $269.
$269? Jesus. I have to sell my house. Uh-oh, look at that. Guys, we got a 6.7 up here. Look at that 6.7. Didn't know you were gonna see a diesel in the Lambo, did you? Dude, my head's like going back. Oh, I'm freaking out, guys. I'm freaking out. Gotta get the zoom off, man. Probably turns all the heads.
Oh yeah, bro.
Non-stop head turning. Gosh, dang it. Freaking nuts. Shit, slow it down. Dude, them brakes work. Oh my God, you're a psycho. Dude, that scared the crap out of me. You're really trying to scare the hell out of me. So anyways, let's pull up by these trees. Yeah, right over here would be great. Get some walk-arounds of this booger. Once I catch my breath here, you guys, he just had us going like $180, scaring the crap out of me. I mean, we're going 55, of course, but it felt intense, okay? It felt intense. And here we are hopping out of that sucker. I'm still a little shaky, but I wanted to get the exterior. It is a little windy, but I do have the little windsock on here, but dang, look at them handles, boy. That is intense. Coming down, look at that door closed. There you go. Rear-wheel drive EVO. Has it got different size tires in the front and the back, or different size wheels, I mean?
No, they're the same size wheels.
Are they 20s or 19s?
They're actually the 19s.
19s?
Yep.
Dude, that looks intense. Hopefully you guys can see this in the sun. And honestly, the lights are crazy. The headlights are insane. Like those two V-shaped ones, I feel like everybody tries to model those off. Gosh dang, look at this. All around this booger. Dream come true. Absolute dream come true. Here's the back. Let's go around back here. Listen to the exhaust. Vanity plate's amazing, of course, but listen to that. Insane. V10. On the back. Look at it go. Man. Insane. Couple revs. Just flip that up. Dang. There she is. Wow. Unbelievable. Way clean. Oh yeah. Get that seat adjusted. Get the big fella in there. Still got them new shoes on for the ride. Leaving the stickers over that to keep it nice. That is amazing. Let's see. Oh my gosh, that feels insane. Dude, that steering wheel though is intense. That is like super grippy, super firm. Look at it. I bet it steers well too. Unbelievable. Absolutely intense, man. Freaking out. Insanity. Dang, dude. Crazy. I can't even hold the camera still. All these buttons and all these different modes going on here. Freaking out. Look at all the different gauges on there too. It's in like a different language too, Italian or whatever. Look at all the different modes. I don't even know what half of this stuff means, but I know it's epic. Look at them miles on there. 19,929. Been driving this sucker a lot, dude.
Oh,
I don't blame you.
I got it with 7 miles, man. 2.5 years, bro.
You've been driving the crap out of it. Dang, dude, I see why. This is insane. And then you can pretty much control everything through here.
Yeah, you can control, I mean, the climate,
music,
climate right here.
Climate.
You got, you know, up, down, obviously. You can turn it off. You got music, you know, navigation, obviously.
Dude, that
volume
is
button
crazy.
is actually here. That's kind of one thing that I didn't like was they put the volume button here.
Oh yeah.
You know, they should have put a little knob or something.
Yeah. Yep.
It's kind of a pain in the ass.
But they do have some stuff up here, windows and all kinds of stuff.
Yes.
That's the nose lip.
Yep.
Nice, dude. Crazy. Green stitching to match the exterior is insane.
Turn signals are like a motorcycle.
Is that right here?
Yep.
Dude, the turn signals there, that is insane. This must be wipers here, all kinds of stuff. And this is where you switch the modes.
Yep.
But this is the coolest. Everybody knows if you've seen a Stradman or Street Speed video, flip this up and away you go. Dang, dude, intense. Thank you again, man. I so appreciate this, man. All right, folks, well, we reached the scary point. Mexhit's nice enough to let me try to drive this booger, so we're gonna take it nice and slow. I'm super nervous. If I wreck this thing, I'm gonna have to sell the house, so we're gonna go low and slow. And yeah, let's see how a rookie, no experienced Lambo driver does here. All right, take me through this booger now. Got to adjust my seat forward a little bit, probably. Make that nice. This is honestly good, I think. How do you put it in gear then?
Hold the brake down, pull on the right one.
Yep.
And then you gotta pull the e-brake down here. Should be good to go. You're in auto mode.
Yeah,
Get the lift up here so we can get over this bump.
Okay, get my mirror a little bit here. Which way are we gonna go out?
Yeah, just go right.
Okay.
Right, and then left at the light.
Oh, dude, I feel like a natural in this thing. Freaking out, dude. The mirrors are insane. I love how it feels like they're in front of you, like looking back at you. Okay, turn signal is like a motorcycle. Now take it slow over these bumps, boy. Nice and easy. Okay. Did that. Now we'll go here. So it's gonna shift on its own, you said?
Yeah, it'll shift on its own right now. It's in auto sport.
Dang, dude, this is crazy, bro. The steering is so tight. That's what I like about it. We go left here and then right?
Yeah.
It is so weird having the turn signals on the steering wheel. That is insane. I got the green light, so it goes. Holy crap, dude. Oh, another way. Turn signal.
You can pull back on that Corsa.
Will that shift the gears?
No, it won't.
Okay. There's my miles per hour.
Just push it in.
Okay, thank you, sir. Man.
You don't have to let off the gas either when you shift.
Oh, you just go?
Yeah, you just go.
Dude, that is insane, bro. This is so insane. Dude, I feel like a kid, dude, in a candy store. Insane.
A little backfire.
Dude, insane. Oh, thank you for this, dude. This absolutely made my freaking day, dude. Insane. Downshift. I think we're going straight to the dealer after this and getting our own, ladies and gentlemen. You just smile the whole time you're driving this car? Is that all you do? I don't think you can drive this car and not smile, dude. It's like
a stress reliever, you know? You got a headache, go take it for a drive.
Yeah, dude. I can't imagine like having like my favorite songs banging, you know? And we absolutely have to get a shot of the key. Look at the key. It just feels like money. That's a $20,000 key right there, boy. Dang, that is crazy now.
One cup holder too.
Oh, does it? Oh, nice. It just flips out. That's perfect.
Never been used?
No, you don't want to. Don't want to use it. This has been absolute riot. How do you kill it then? You just pull this up? And...
Yep, right there, perfect.
And just like that, we made it. Dang, son, it looks good pulling up next to the truck. Yeah, buddy. What you about to go do? Cruising?
Yeah, I'm about to go.
Hell yeah. I'll follow you out of here. All right, bro. Thank you. Who doesn't love a good Lambo on a Friday afternoon in the fall with the trees? Make sure I don't hit that booger. This is insane, bro. Oh, I love it. What a great day. All right, we are back home now, and literally I smiled the entire way home. I felt like a total kid in the candy store the entire time in that car, out and about, all the looks, all the feels, all the vibes. Incredible. There is nothing like being in a freaking Lamborghini Huracan EVO. Crazy. I know I look kind of dumb. I don't know anything about the car, obviously. Could never afford the car. Well, shouldn't say never ever, because maybe someday with some support on the channel, we'll get there too. We'll see. But thank you guys so much. I hope the camera did it even half the justice that it does in real life. If you ever get the chance to do that, make sure you take them up on it. Thank you again to Mitch. Make sure you guys check out Tap22. Get up there, have some delicious food. But anyways, make sure you stick around. We do have some crazy videos coming in the near future. I don't know if they're always going to be Lambo videos, so I won't promise you that, but we'll get back to some cool truck and Jeep stuff with everybody else. So thank you guys so much for being here. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.